that fear of using single providers because they're concerned about their data getting compromised some way, and they don't want to put all their eggs in one basket.
Combination of all of the above. I think, there are a lot of exigencies associated with this data. We think about some of the current AI models. We have customers who are in the regulated accounting and tax industries. And those industries are becoming more and more concerned about accountants using LLMs to assist with their day-to-day work. The same way, probably, most of us have started using them. The challenge, of course, is if your accountant shares a spreadsheet that has PII in it, your social security number, your credit card information, your bank account information. What happens to it, and where does it go when the model begins to train against it? And so, I think the globalization of infrastructures has met this strange nexus of the kind of paranoia you talk about, which I think is justified, right? We've seen plenty of these infrastructures compromised, plenty of data breaches. I get a letter in the mail, like probably most of the listeners do, every once in a while, that some other service has been compromised, and my data is out there on the dark web. And so organizations are increasingly seeing that risk, and seeing that risk as inherent in some of these platform choices that they've made, and that's causing them to reevaluate. Right? There's a kind of reassessment phase of this technology shift that organizations are taking, and it's both technical, meaning can these platforms continue to perform in the way that we want it to, but it's also related to this data availability and data sovereignty question. Is the data in a place where it can be compromised by bad actors, or is it frankly being used by the organizations that I'm subscribed to as a provider for mining that data for more training and so on and so forth? So those exigencies of things like GDPR and other regulations that are pushing against organizations just kind of add to reasons why organizations are reassessing that.